What's up, y'all, and welcome to another episode of Mom Time. It's your girl Sasha P with my cousin Denise out here in these streets. It's a Friday, you know what I'm saying? We just out here, no real plans, you know what I'm saying? Just trying to find somewhere to go get something to eat, you know what I'm saying? Chop it up, you know. Happy Friday. Get ready to be or something. Y'all, we up in the car munching on rap snacks. Nicki Minaj. Watch my video on these. What you think about them, Denise?
They good, not enough. They more sweet to me.
More sweet. Denise said they got a little sweet taste to them.
Not so much of vinegar.
Yeah. This bag is a little bit sweeter. What is mom time? You ask. Well, mom time is just us hanging out. It don't have to be nothing special, nothing fancy. We just hanging out, chilling, talking, enjoying life, you know, one day at a time. Like the one on Germantown. Riding down Highway 64. Y'all, we decided to come over to the Daiquiri factory on Macon Road. So we walking up to the Daiquiri place now. So they have a food truck park over here by the Daiquiri spot. So we about to go see, can we find us something to eat first. Y'all, we over here at the chicken coop, looking at their menu, trying to see what we gonna get.
Yo, in here.
Okay, are you the chef?
I am the chef, the cook, the manager, the driver, whatever you want me to be. I'm that.
Oh.
I'm pulling up to your spot.
Okay.
Anywhere you want to come, we there.
I got you. All right. The chicken coop, y'all.
I tried the party wings, 10 pieces. 10 pieces. Season fries or
So I'm thinking about getting me some wings also. And he got okra on the menu, so you already know I got to do the okra. It's a must. I'm gonna get the 3-piece lemon pepper. I want some okra. Yeah. And we're gonna get our drinks from over to the place.
I'm just putting your name in 5,000 subscribe. 5 million or 5,000?
5 million.
5 million. No, you 5 million.
So we ordered us something to eat from a chicken coop. Now we headed back over here to the Daiquiri spot to get us something to drink on. So he gonna give us some samples, and he let me try the pineapple Hennessy. Which one you trying, Denise?
The strawberry.
She trying the strawberry Hennessy.
So you can mix it too, right?
You mix anything? Didn't I have a table right there?
Wait a minute, what's up here?
I thought when they said the table. Large. This is a medium, what you call regular.
Large and medium. So, and that's it.
Yes. But we normally have 2 other sizes, but we don't have. We ran out of those sizes. We normally have a giant, a jumbo, and a bone. But we don't have. Yeah, but we don't have those.
I think I'm gonna do the strawberry.
Yes, one of our features should be.
Bad and bougie strawberry Hennessy.
Now let me ask you something. That's the only drink you want? Okay. And you go to Facebook with a card right here, right?
Yeah, both of us playing with the plastic.
There you go. It's a good chicken sauce.
I got the okra and the 3-piece lemon pepper.